In today's video, we will be installing the VMware Workstation Pro 17 along with our Kali Linux machine. I have already downloaded the VMware Workstation setup, and I have given the link in the description. You can go check it out. You just have to double click on it, and the setup window will pop up. You just have to wait for it to start on, so you can get so you can start the setup. So it's preparing to install. Our welcome window has appeared. So you have to click next. You have to accept the agreement terms in the license agreement. Click next again. So it's asking you to add the workstation console tools into the system path. You have to check it out. You have to tick the box because path is important. And now you can also change the install directory. So for me, it's the C program files, VMware, and VMware Workstation folder. You can change it in any drive or anywhere else you want. Click next. So this is for checking for the products updates or startup, and you can also join the community or the customer experience improvement program. I'll just check it out. I will not check it because I have already accepted the conditions. I have downloaded it multiple times. Just click next. Yeah, so it's asking you to place on the desktop or in the start menu folder. So I'll check it both. Click next. So you have to install. The install wizard has started. It will just take a moment for installing depending on your PC's. It will just take you 5 to 6 minutes to install. You can just look at here. It has already created the shortcut. You can directly access it from here after the installation has been completed. And if you want to view our old video that was with the Ubuntu installation, you can go check out in our YouTube channel. I have already given the link in the description. So I'll click finish. Now it will again reopen the setup for the license setup. If it does not open at itself, you have to just double click on it. Yeah, so you have to use it for the personal use. We don't have the license key to allow commercial use. So just check the personal use option and click continue. Click finish. So here is our welcome window for the Workstation Pro. The setup has been completed. Here are our previous machines. I have been using it for a couple of months now. I'll just delete these. So if you want, so now we will install the Kali Linux machine. Just go to create a new virtual machine. Click next. Click browse to browse for the ISO file of the Kali Linux. So here is our ISO file that I already downloaded. I have added the video to view this. I have added the video for the Kali Linux ISO file installation in the description below. You can go check it out. You have to select the Debian 564-bit, or you can select any other version. I'll select Debian 12, the latest one, I guess. Click next. So now we have to allocate the memory disk size here. I'll go with the 40 GB. So now you can see here the memory size is 2 GB. Previously we gave the hard disk. It has increased to 40 GB, but we can also increase the memory size. So go to the customize hardware and you can use this slider to increase or decrease or whatever you want the size of your memory or RAM. It's called RAM size. Just close it. The RAM size has been increased. Click finish. So our machine has been installed or added to the VMware workstation. So now we will power it on. It's giving me some time of error for the channel mitigation. I'll check it out again next time. I'll check it out again when the installation has been completed. So you have to just install. So the language has been selected. We have to continue again. So go back. Debian installer. Yeah, I will go with configure the keyboard. Yeah, I will go with American English because that's always used. You can see the graphics are not really very good because I have not installed the graphic. You can see that the graphics are not very good because it requires a separate ISO file for the graphics. I'll show you at the end of the installation. I'll add it in the settings for good graphics. Yeah, I'll go with the Kali name. I'll just skip it. Yeah, I'll go with Kali for the full name of the new username. Yeah, I will go again with Kali. So you can just say simple setup for the password. Just 4 characters is enough. Yeah, we can say it for the central time zone. Yeah, I'll just keep the default settings for this one, and again this one. Yeah, for this one again I'll go with the recommended settings. Yeah, just continue. Yeah, I will. Yes, click yes, then continue. These are just basic settings that you have to click on default ones and just go on with the installation. Nothing much. So it's installing the base system. It just takes a couple of minutes to install. So guys, now we have to install the grub boot installer. That is important for the Kali machine. Click on continue. Again, select the dev slash sta. Click on continue. It's almost finished the installation. So our installation is all. So our installation is already almost completed. Now we will log into our Kali machine to see if the installation process has been completed successfully. So enter the username. I put it Kali and the password. So I have added both the virtual machine setup and the setup, Kali machine ISO file in the description below. You can go check it out and download from there. And I have showed you all the installation process for installing the Kali machine on your virtual VMware workstation. So it's all for now. It's all for today.